everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are enjoying maths classes. It's time again for maths class, so let's begin. Today we are going to start a new topic and a new chapter, as we are done with chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 was addition. We are done with all the topics of addition and revision and worksheet also, okay? So today we will start new chapter, chapter number 3, which is subtraction. So what is subtraction? You all know what is subtraction. In your previous classes you have learned the basics of subtraction. In this lecture we will revise all the previous classes concepts, okay? In this lecture we will revise, suppose in case if you forgot something, like what is subtraction, what are the terms used in subtraction and how to do subtraction. If you have forget all these things, so do not worry, in this lecture we will revise all the things, and if you remember all those things, then also do not worry, because by recalling all this you will learn all the terms and the procedure also, okay? So without wasting any time, let's begin. What is subtraction? What is the meaning of subtraction? Think about it and speak about it. Whatever you think about subtraction, tell it. Try to speak up. Yes, subtraction means taking away. Today I was having 4 books. But my friend took 2 books from me and now I am left with these 2 books. Today I was having 4 books. But one of my friend has taken away 1 and 2 books from me, and then I am left with these 2. Okay, so what is this? This is subtraction. You all are doing subtraction in your daily life without knowing about it. You had 4 pencils. One of your friend borrowed 1 pencil from you. So what happened here is, you had 4 pencils and 1 pencil your friend has taken away from you. So subtraction is taking away. Today what happened with me? I was having 4 books and one of my friend taken away 2 books from me. So I am left with 1 and 2 books. So what is this? This is subtraction. So we will write about meaning of subtraction. What is the meaning of subtraction? Okay. So subtraction means taking away. So all of you note it down with me. Okay. Subtraction means taking away. Subtraction means taking away. See students, how you will write? First of all, at the top of your page you will write chapter number, chapter 3, and then its name. What is the name of chapter 3? The name of chapter 3 is subtraction. Now then, this is your marginal line. Now you will write from here, subtraction means taking away. You know students, subtraction is opposite of addition. What we do in addition, we put things together in addition, and what we do in subtraction, we take away things in subtraction. So putting together and taking away, these are 2 different things. So subtraction is opposite of addition. Okay. Now, I had 4 books. One of my friend has taken away 2 books and I am left with 2 books. Okay. So, let's understand or let's revise some terms used in addition. Okay. So, what is this? I know all of you are aware of this sign. You have did a whole chapter in class 2nd. Subtractions chapter you are done in class 2nd. So what we call this sign? Very good. We call it minus. The bigger number. The bigger number from which we subtract the smaller number. What we call it? What we call it? Very good. We call it minuend. And the smaller number which is getting subtracted, what we call it? We call it subtrahend. Very good. And the result we get, what we call the result? In case of addition, we call result as sum or total. And what about subtraction? What we call in case of subtraction the result? Yes, we call it as difference. Very good. We call it as difference. So the sign which is used for subtraction is called as minus. Let's write this also. Write it down with me, students. The sign used for subtraction. The sign used for subtraction is called, what we are calling it is called minus. And how we represent it? We represent it like this. Okay. Now let's write terminology also. What are the terms we are using in subtraction? Let's write them also. So, terms used in subtraction. Now, see, if we are writing about two terms, then we will write, if we are taking 2-digit number, so do not forget to write places also. So, we will write 1 sentence also. So, let's take a number. So, we will see how to do subtraction. I am just writing here answer so that we can understand or write the terminology only, okay? We will see how we got 16 by subtracting 10 from 26. We will see later, we will learn that one also. Here we are just writing terms only, okay? So, what we call bigger number? Very good, we call it as minuend. What we call smaller number? We call it subtrahend. And what we call result? Yes, we call it as difference. So, we will write difference for it. All of you note it down properly. And if you are not able to note down with me, you can take a screenshot also, or you can pause the video and note down all these things. Okay, I am now rubbing the board. Hope you all have noted down with me. If you are not done, you can take a screenshot or you can pause the video. So these were some basics, okay? Now all of you open your book, page number 31. Open your book, page number 31. I hope you all have opened your book. See, what page number 31 is asking us. Help Robbie the rabbit to find its grass by subtracting correctly. If we subtract a sum, if we solve a question or if we subtract correctly, the Robbie the rabbit will be able to go inside, because Robbie the rabbit is hungry. This rabbit is hungry and he wants to eat this grass. So he can enter only if we will solve correctly. If we will solve one question correctly, then he will reach here. Then if we will solve next one, then he will reach here. As if we solve all the question, the rabbit, it will reach to the grass. Okay, so let us help rabbit. the first question. The very first question is 53 minus 31. Okay. Now how to solve it? One more thing. This will remain in book only. No need to note it down in copy. Okay. No need to note down in classwork copy. This will remain in book only. I hope you all are clear now. Okay. Likewise, we will do here. Likewise, we were doing in addition. What we were doing? We were dealing with ones with ones and tens with tens. So in this subtraction also, we will subtract ones from ones and tens from tens. So the first number is 3. So what we will do? We will draw 3 sticks for it. Now here we are subtracting, so we will not draw more sticks. Now we will remove, we will take away sticks. Okay. So 1 is there, so we will cancel 1 stick. 1 is written there, so we will cancel 1 stick from those 3 sticks. Okay. So now let's count how many sticks left. 1, 2. 2 sticks left, so we will write 2 below ones. We will write 2 below 3 and 1. Okay. Now the next number. Next number is 5, so we will draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sticks. Now the next number is 3. So we will remove 3 sticks. 1, 2 and 3 sticks. Now let's count how many sticks left. 1 and 2. 2 sticks are left, so we will write 2 here. So 53 minus 31 is equals to 22. Okay. Now we'll move towards the next question. Next one is 95 minus 62. So the first number, bigger number is 5. So we will draw 5 sticks. The second number and smaller number is 2. So let's cancel 2 sticks. Now let's count how many sticks are left. 1, 2, 3. 3 sticks are left, so we will write the number 3. Now tens turn. 9, so we will draw 9 sticks. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now how much we have to cancel? We have to cancel 6 sticks because 6 is there. So let's cancel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's count how many sticks are left. 1, 2, 3. 3 sticks are left. So we will write the number 3 here. Okay. Now I hope you are getting how to do it, how to do subtraction. We will draw the number of sticks equal to the bigger number and we will cancel out the number of sticks same as the smaller number. Okay. Now the next one is 86 minus 43. 86 minus 43. So number 6 is there. So we will draw 6 sticks. Okay. Now number 3 is there. So we will cancel out 3 sticks. Now let's count how many sticks are left. 1, 2 and 3. 3 sticks are left. It means we will write the number 3. Okay. Now the next number is 8. So we will draw 8 sticks. 6, 7, 8. Now we need to subtract 4 from it. So we will cancel out 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count how many sticks are left. 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks are left. So we will write the number 4. Okay. Now the next sum is 74 minus 53. 74 minus 53. So first of all we will draw 4 sticks. Now minus 3. So we will remove 1, 2 and 3 sticks. Now let's count how many left. Only one stick is left, so we will write number 1. Okay. Now the next number is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 5. It means we will cancel out 5 sticks. Let's cancel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have cancelled 5 sticks. Now let's count how many left. 1 and 2. 2 sticks are left. So we will write number 2. Okay. So this is how we can do subtraction. Let's solve many more questions. 69 minus 45. 69 minus 45. See, number 9 is there, so we will draw 9 sticks. Now number 5 is there, 9 minus 5. So we will remove or we will cancel 2, 3, 4 and 5 sticks. Okay. Now let's count how many sticks are left. 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks are left. So we will write the number 4. Okay. Now 6. So first of all we will draw 6 sticks. Minus 4. Minus 4. So what we will do? We will cancel 4 sticks. Now let's count how many left. 1 and 2. 2 sticks are left. So we will write number 2. So the difference is 24. Okay. Minus 34. Our next sum is next question is 78 minus 34. Okay. So 8. Let's draw it stick first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 4. So how many sticks we will remove? We will remove 4 sticks. Let's remove 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count how many sticks are left. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sticks are left. So we will write the number 4. Now 7 minus 3. 7 is there. So let's draw 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sticks. Minus 3. It means we will cancel out 3 sticks. So 1, 2 and 3. We have cancelled 3 sticks. Now let's count how many sticks are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write the number 4. So here our difference is 44. I hope you all are doing, you all are writing all the differences or all the results in your book. No need to note it down in copy. Okay. Now the next question is 57 minus 40. 57 minus 40. Now let's draw 7 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 4. Minus 4, it means we will cancel 4 sticks. Now let's count how many sticks. 1, 2 and 3 sticks. So we will write the number 3 here. 5 minus 1. So first of all we will draw 5 sticks. Minus 1. Excuse me. Minus 1. So we will remove 1 stick. We have cancelled 1 stick. Now let's count how many sticks are left. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sticks are left. So we will write the number 4. So difference is 43. Okay. Now the next number 48 minus 24. 48 minus 24. Now 8 minus 4. Try to do by your own. Try to do it by your own. How you will do? You will draw 8 sticks. Then you will cancel 4 sticks. Do it. Yes. I am watching you all. I hope I am watching you all. Do it. First of all, draw 8 sticks and cancel 4 sticks. Now count how many sticks are left. write the number 4. Now 4 minus 2. So draw 4 stick, all of you. Draw 4 sticks. Yes, very good. Now minus 2 is there. So how many sticks you will cancel? 2 sticks. So cancel 2 sticks. Cancelled. Now count how many sticks are left. Count. Very good. 2 sticks are left. So our difference is 24. Well done all of you. Now the next question is 74 minus 42. 74 minus 42. So first of all 4 is there, so we will draw 4 sticks. Now 2 is there, so we will cancel 1 and 2 sticks. Now let's count how many sticks are left. 1 and 2. 2 sticks are left. It means we will write number 2. Okay. Now 7 minus 4. So we will draw 7 sticks first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 4. 4 is there. So we will cancel out 4 sticks. Let's cancel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count how many sticks are left. 1, 2, 3. 3 sticks are left. So we will write the number 3. So our difference is 32. So I hope you all are getting now how to solve addition questions, subtraction questions. It is very simple. We will draw the number of bigger numbers, number of a stick, and we will cancel out the smaller numbers, number of sticks. Simple. Now 38 minus 70. 38 minus 70. So all of you, first of all draw 8 sticks. We will remove 1s from 1 and 10s from 10s. Okay. So draw 8 sticks. Yes, I am watching you all. Draw 8 sticks. Now cancel out 7 sticks. Now cancel out 7 sticks out of those 8 sticks. Yes, do it. Now how many sticks left? Count. Count the number of sticks which are left. Very good. 1 stick is left. So we will write the number 1. Very good. Now what we will do next? We will draw 3 sticks. Yes, all of you. Draw 3 sticks. Yes, all of you draw 3 sticks. Now 3 minus 1. So how many sticks you will cancel? Very good. You will cancel 1 stick. So cancel 1 stick. Now count the number of sticks left. So how many sticks are left? Count all of you. Very good. 2 sticks are left. So we will write number 2. So our difference is 21. Okay. Now the next one. 87 minus 45. 87 minus 45. All of you draw 7 sticks. Yes, draw 7 sticks. Now 7 minus 5. So how many sticks you will cancel? Very good. You will cancel 5 sticks. So cancel out 5 sticks. Do it quickly. Come on, do it. Now count the number of left sticks. How many sticks are left? Count them. we will write here number 2. Okay. Now 8 minus 4. So draw 8 sticks. All of you do it quickly. I am watching you all. Draw 8 sticks. Okay. Now 8 minus 4. So cancel out 4 sticks. Cancel 4 sticks out of 8. Yes, very good. Now count how many sticks are left. Count. Very good. 4 sticks are left. So we will write number 4. So 4 tens and 2 ones means our difference is 42. The next one is 75 minus 54. 75 minus 54. So 5 minus 4, first of all, what we will do? We will draw 5 sticks minus 4. It means we will cancel out 1, 2, 3 and 4 sticks. Now the next step is we will count how many sticks are left. Only 1 stick is left. So we will write 1. Now 7 minus 5. So we will draw first 7 sticks. Now minus 5. So we will cancel 5 sticks. So let's cancel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we had cancel also. Now count number of sticks left. So let's count how many sticks are left. 1 and 2. 2 sticks are left. So we will write number 2 below tens. Okay. So 75 minus 54. Our difference is 21. Now the next one. Try to do by your own. The next one is 63 minus 31. 63 minus 31. All of you draw 3 sticks. Because 3 minus 1. So draw 3 sticks. Now minus 1 is there. So cancel 1 stick out of those 3. Cancel 1 stick. Now count the number of sticks left. Count it. How many sticks are left? Very good. 2 sticks are left. So we will write the number 2 here. Now the next step. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. So first of all draw 6 sticks. All of you do it quickly. Draw 6 sticks. Now minus 3. Minus 3 is there. So what we will do? We will cancel out 3 sticks. Cancel 3 sticks now. Now count how many sticks are left. Yes. Very good. 3 sticks are left. So we will write the number 3. So our difference is 32. Now the last question. Then the rabbit will reach to grass. The last one is 97 minus 54. 97 minus 54. 7 minus 4. So we will draw 7 sticks. Let's draw. Do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 4. It means minus 4. It means we will remove 4 sticks. We will cancel out 4 sticks. Let's cancel 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will count the number of sticks left. 1, 2, 3. 3 sticks are left. So we will write the number 3. Okay. Now it's tens column's turn. So 9 minus 5. So first of all we will draw 9 sticks. Minus 5. It means we will cancel out 5 sticks. Let's cancel 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We had cancelled 5 sticks. Now we will count the remaining sticks. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write the number 4. So our last difference is 43. So this is how we helped rabbit by solving all these questions to reach this grass. Now rabbit will eat all the grass. So This is how we can do subtraction. So in today's lecture, we revise basics of subtraction. This is how we can do subtraction. In this lecture, we revised all the basic concepts of subtraction and we learn how to solve question based on subtraction. Okay, so we'll meet in next lecture. Till then, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe and keep practicing. Bye bye students.